Welcome, dear class, to this course about Introduction to Cultural Diversity. This topic is very important nowadays because it is related to the part of globalization. You know that nowadays it is very common to hear about this topic. But what about cultural diversity? Cultural diversity refers basically to the different cultures or traditions that we can find around the world and be able to accept them, although we don't agree with them. Okay? So this is the purpose of this course, to know the basics about cultural diversity and to start knowing if we are tolerant or not to this part. In further courses, we will be able to develop in detail and in depth these ideas or these topics about cultural diversity. Now, what is really important for you to know is, well, first of all, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Alejandra Musalem Lechuga. I'm a Mexican teacher, an English teacher. I've been studying and working and growing and everything in Mexico, but I'm very tolerant to different cultures, especially because in Mexico we have a great variety of cultures, basically pre-Hispanic cultures, and we really want to keep them alive, okay? Another important thing about me is that I've been teaching for almost 15 years now, and I'm really interested in cultures, languages, and traditions. So now, what to do in this course? Okay, this course is very easy to navigate or to surf. As you can see here, we have different tabs with different information. The first one refers to the announcements. These announcements let you know when to start an activity, when to finish the activity referring to that week. As you can see here, there are 4 weeks in which we're going to be working together, okay? The second tab that we have here is the info facilitator. It means the information that corresponds to me, okay? Here you can find basically the information or my contact, okay, basic information about me, and also my contact, okay? And you will find some other important information about the course. Then here in course information, you will find all the details about this course. You will find the anthology, you will find the glossary, and you will be finding the description of the course, the objectives, and the structure of this course. Every week, you will find different activities to be creating during this course. For example, the first one is introducing yourself in this blog. Well, kind of blog, okay? So all the instructions are given there. Introduce yourself and comment at the least 3 posts. Then you will find the objectives or each week, the objectives of each week and the activities you will be creating, and then you will find all the material. The readings are in here. You can find them here, or you can find them here in the course information in the part where it says anthology, okay? So this is what you can find, for example, in week number 2, and then you continue on weekends, on week 2, 3, 4, and so on, okay? I hope you enjoyed this course. Remember, if you have any question, you can write it here on the discussion board, or you can send me an email to alejandra.musalem@upaep.mx. I hope you enjoyed this course as well as I did creating it. See you later. Bye.